Hello everyone, welcome to Devtamin. In this video, I'm going to talk about the colors that the designer picking up for Starbucks website. Alright, when you look at the Starbucks website, you will see that the brand color of Starbucks is green. As you see over here, the logo of the Starbucks is green. So the main color that they use for this website is green. It can be dark green or light green. So how about other color? How they choose other colors for this website? Like orange over here, mustard, and brown, dark brown or light brown. So let's analyze this color together. Let's see how they come up with this color. So if you right click over here and then you open like this tool, Dev tool, and then you inspect this color, and then you will grab this hex color code over here. So you just copy it, and then we are going to like search for color wheel Adobe. Okay. Alright, you click on over here color.adobe.com. Click on it. So you can paste the color that we just copied, this color, paste it over here and enter. Okay, you will see the color that they can use for Starbucks website or Starbucks brand. So if you click for square, you will see that, so this color is this color, and this color is pretty similar to this color, right? They might add white to this color to make it lighter, so it's become like orange or it's become like dark brown. That's how they choose the color for the website. For example, if I search for generate tint and shade over here, and if you copy this color, all right, and paste it over here, you will get the shade and the tint color of this color. Okay, and then you can use for this site. So there are many colors that they can pick over here. They can choose double or they can put split. See, green can go along with brown or dark brown and complementary. Okay, you will see this color, and if you copy this color and put it over here and search for, you will see this color, which is pretty similar to this color. So this is how they pick the color for the website. So for this color, mustard over here, okay, and if you go to square, you can copy this color and tint it or shade it over here. See, it's pretty similar to this color. So this is how Starbucks choose the color for their website. So they use color wheel, which is the basics tool for a designer to follow color theory and to choose the right color for their website. So you can do so when you want to design a website. You can use the color wheel to pick up a good color to your website and make your website balanced. So it is really important for you to understand basic design. So let's go to like creativestarbucks.com. You will see all colors that Starbucks brand follow over here. So if you scroll down, you will see spring season they will use this color, and summer season they will use this color. All of this color is consistent. So why? Because the designer follow color theory, and color wheel is really good for designer to use to pick a color for their website. So over here, if you click fall season, you will see this is the color that they use right now. Over here you will see rust and neutral pink, almost pumpkin, and mustard, burgundy. So all of this color always come from color wheel, and this color also support primary color, which is green. All of this color exists in color wheel. You have to choose it and shade it, tint it, or tone it to make it look good for website. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.